Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of HubSpot Free CRM. We will be taking a look at its key features and we will come to know whether it is right for your business or not. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on hubspot.com and you need to create your account here with your free email address. So HubSpot is a free CRM that is an all-in-one customer management platform which helps you track the leads, manage your contacts, and grow the relationships without paying a dime. It is especially popular among the startups and small businesses. So once you set up your account over here, in the left hand section, you are going to see the CRM option. So first, if you click on the option of contacts, with the help of this option you will be able to add the contacts manually here, or you can also import the spreadsheets or emails. You can store the details of your customers like their name, email address, company, and past integrations, just like so. Then you are going to see the option of deals and pipelines. With the help of it, you can organize your sales funnel visually. For example, let's say you can track the leads from new contacts to the closed deals. Afterwards, we will have the option of tasks and activities. With the help of it, you can assign the tasks like follow-up calls or emails so that your sales team never misses a step. It is also going to help you with the email integration, so you are going to get it here inside it. With the help of it, you can connect your email address or your Outlook to send or log the emails directly inside HubSpot. Then you are going to see your dashboard, which is going to give you the view of the activity timelines, the conversion rates, and sales progress in one place. So I really liked about this particular platform. However, there are some of the cons which you need to understand, like it is going to give you very limited customization as compared to the paid version or the paid CRMs out there. The advanced automation features are also logged here. You need to basically apply for the upgraded version here. The strong limits may be restrictive for the larger businesses. So these are some of the cons that you need to keep in mind. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.